everyone, in this video, we are going to learn how you can create and display live visitor count notification on your website. So without waiting any further, let's get started. Make sure that you have installed the pixel before creating the notification. Once you have installed it, click on Add Notification button. You will see different type of social proof notifications and widgets here. To create live visitor notification, go to Live. Here we have two different variants available: live visitor count and recently viewed count. In the first one, you can show the count of visitors live on your website within last 60 minutes. While in the second one, you can display the total number of visits within a specific period of time. Choose whichever you want to display. We will go with the first one. Click on See Designs and select the notification design of your choice. As you can see, there are many design options available. Each one comes with its unique customization options. Select any one of this and you will see a pop-up asking name and website URL. In name, you can write anything which is easy to remember, and in URL, you have to mention the website URL where you want to display the notification. Once you have filled in this information, click on Create and Customize. You will be redirected to Customization page. Here we have three sections. The first one is Design. Here, as you can see, we have Notification Template Gallery where you can change the notification design if required. Then we have Live Preview Screen where you can see how your notification will look like on your website. You can also check how your notification will look like in mobile phone and desktop screen. Using this switch, you can change the theme. Further, we have three main configuration options. In design, you can customize notification text, icon, position, animation, borders, colors, and more. Now, if you want to redirect your users to desired pages, then you can also make a notification clickable. In case you want to change notification delay and display time, then you can use data and timing settings. With these options, you can set notification timing like delay and display time, and also you can select time duration for which you want to display live visitor count. Let's say if you have set 60 minutes, then it will show the number of people visited your website in last 60 minutes. We also have an option to show specific page visits. The design section is all about making your notifications eye-catchy so you can grab your customer attention. Once you are done with design section, click on Save button to apply all the changes. Now let's move to display section by clicking the Continue button. What you can do here is you can choose where you want to display notification, like display it on all pages or specific pages by using different display conditions. If you want to display same notification on multiple websites, you just have to add multiple website URL here. You can choose whether you want to display notification to returning or new visitors and target specific audience by using segmentation options like UTM, cookies name, and more. Now let's move to third and the last section, that is data source. Here you have to enter the website URL. Once you add URL, WiserNotify will start counting visitors on those URLs and will display it on your website. Once you have customized all three options, your notification is ready to go live. Simply click on Finish button and turn the notification on. Here. Now let's check it on your website. As you can see here, the notification is live on your website. Similarly, you can create recently viewed count notification on your website. So that's how you can create a live visitor count notification. If you want to explore more advanced options, you can find the video links in description. And if you still face any queries while creating live visitor notification, connect with us on live chat or mail us at support@wisernotify.com.